The video you just watched showed a traditional healer trying to heal someone of what is popularly known as red foot. But unfortunately, as you can see at the end of the video, the person did not make it. And unfortunately, that is the story of a lot of people, because this condition called red foot is something that a lot of people believe to be mystical. That, you know, if you open the comment section to this particular video in question, you'll see that a lot of people are talking about someone smashing something spiritual or crossing something spiritual, and then for some reason it picks up some sort of like an earlock or some sort of poisoning, and then the leg starts to swell. But this is something that is medically called cellulitis, okay? And if you come to the hospital early, we can be able to pick this up and treat you of this disease. And it's basically a soft tissue infection, right? At this early stage where you can see this guy hitting with a popular leg, at that very early stage, it's just cellulitis. But now, this infection can spread deeper within your soft tissues. It can go to your subcutaneous tissue, it can go down to your fascia and your muscles, and this infection is very, very deadly. So most patients usually do not come to the hospital on time because there is this popular notion in the quarters that cellulitis, that red foot is not treated in the hospital, and that is something that is traditionally or spiritually treated, which is very dangerous because it makes it very difficult when patients come to the hospital with late presentations such as this, and you have now to manage this patient. And it's very, very dangerous now because this infection that is there can spread and cause a generalized sepsis, and the patient could even die, or you could lose your limb because the infection spreads really rapidly and you can end up losing your leg. So it's very dangerous. When you see swelling, you see pain, when you see redness on your leg, please come to the hospital. I know it's red foot. I know the popular notion in the quarters is that you have crossed something, but come to the hospital, it is treated. You need to just take a course of antibiotics and you'll be fine.